Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey Clashers, have you seen the awesome Bull King skin for your Barbarian King? It's a really cool, rugged look that stands out in your village. This unique cosmetic came from a special crossover event with our friends at B.U.L.L Stars. Many of you are wondering how to get your hands on this distinctive skin, and we're here to help. The Bull King skin first appeared during a fantastic crossover event, linking Clash of Clans with B.U.L.L Stars. Players were able to earn this special skin by completing a series of unique in-game challenges and quests. It was a limited-time opportunity, meaning you had to be actively playing and participate during that specific event window to unlock it. All right, let's talk about the situation for 2025. Currently, the Bull King skin isn't available for direct purchase in the shop, nor is it part of any ongoing events. Skins that were tied to previous limited-time crossover events often remain exclusive for a while. However, Supercell has been known to bring back certain popular skins through special bundles or during major seasonal sales. So, there's always a possibility. So, what can you do if you missed out? Your best bet is to keep a very close eye on the in-game shop, especially during major seasonal updates, Clash anniversary celebrations, or other special occasions. Also, be sure to follow the official Clash of Clans social media channels and news feeds. They'll always announce if a popular skin is making a return, sometimes even as part of a larger, value-packed bundle. Getting your hands on exclusive skins often comes down to patience and being vigilant for special announcements. While you wait, keep enjoying all the new content Clash of Clans has to offer. Dive into wars, upgrade your base, and have fun. The Bull King skin is truly iconic, and with a bit of luck and timely checking, it might just make a roaring return to your village in the future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.